Hello everyone. So our today's problem is to find a minimum difference in sums after removal of elements. So you will be given as zero index integer array nums consisting of 3 into n elements. So you have to remove the n and the rest of the you have to remove the n and n of elements, and from the rest of the elements, you have to find first half and second half, and you have to find the minimum difference. So if I copy the array, yeah, paste it here, that's it. So the problem itself says like the size is 3 into n, right? The actual size is 6 here, right? So if I write actual size is 6, and then if I need to find n will be size divided by 3, right? Which is equal to 2. Now, if we have a look, it's 3 into n elements, right? So if you multiply 3 into your n, 2 is 6, right? Now, all you have to do, you have to remove n number of elements from the array. So now the value of n is 2. So you have to remove any 2 elements from the array. For example, you removed first 2. Okay. Then from the rest of the element, you have to divide in middle, and then the addition of 5 and 8 is 13, and the addition of 1 and 3 is 4. So you have to find the difference. So difference is 13 minus 4, which is 9. This is the difference, right? But now the problem says you have to find the minimum difference. So how can you find the minimum difference? Now if I remove this one, okay. So if we have a look, if we delete 9 from here and 8 from here, so 7 and 5, okay, we deleted 9 from here and 8 from here, huh? So now 7 and 5 is 12, okay. From here, okay, instead of deleting 8, my bad. Instead of deleting 8, I'll delete 1 only. So 8 and 3 is 11, right? Now the difference between 12 and 11 is equal to 1. This is the minimum one, right? If it is going to, like, if it is minus 1, then it's more minimum. For example, for this one, 3 to 1. For this one, 3 to 1. If you simply, okay, the value of n will be, here the size is 3. Then n will be 3 divided by 3, which is 1. Okay. So now you can only remove one value. So just remove this one, or remove 1 from here. Then 3 minus 2. Oh no. Okay, my bad. Remove 3 from here. Then 1 minus 2, which will be minus 1. This will be the minimum number, right? I hope you got it. Now, solve this problem. We have to think, okay, if we have a look from the left side, if we make as less number as possible, right? Like the minimum number as possible. And from the right side, if we make the maximum number of possible, then minimum minus maximum will get the like minimum value, right? For example, here if we can make 0, for example, and if we can make the maximum one, right, by deleting one value, so maximum, for example, 10, so the value will be minus 10. This will be the minimum one. So our target will be make the left side as less as possible and make the right side as maximum as possible, right? Now, to make the left side as minimum as possible, we have to find the maximum value from the left side so that we can delete it. And then I hope you got it. Like if the number is if some number is 7, 9, 8, 6, and we have to remove only one number, then we can pick the maximum value from here so that the addition of rest of number will be the minimum, right? And our target is make the right side maximum, right? So here we will find the minimum value from the right side, right? And then our right side will be maximum. I hope you got it. So left side should be the, if I write, left side should be the minimum and right side should be the maximum, right? And from the left side, you have to find maximum value, and from the right side, you have to find minimum value. So that's it. So our target is make the left side minimum and make the right side maximum. Okay. Now, uh, so this is 1, this is 2. Now, how can you do this one, right? So for doing this one, okay, if I copy this one again, okay, I'll just paste it here, right? Doing this one, we know our value of n is 2 now, right? Our value of n is 2 now. So what does this one mean? Means we have to remove 2 value, right? If we remove 2 value, our left side can come maximum till this here, right? And our right side can go a maximum till here. We have to remove these two or these two, like if we remove any two, right? So I can say for the right side, I will come our size -1 till n, right? From here, I will find the maximum value. I'll find the minimum value and I'll remove it and make like, yeah. So yeah, finding the minimum value, we can create a priority queue with the ascending order. Yeah, by default it's descending order, right? So we'll create by ascending order. For example, if we take 3, then we take 1, so 1 will come here, and then if it is 4, we can take one array and size of our this value, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So for each index, I will find what is the minimum value, right? So here 4, and for this one it will be 0, like then we'll come here 8, so we'll take 8, what it is, right? I'll cut it. Okay, initially it was 1, 3, then 8 will come as it is. We have to find the minimum. Yeah, as it is ascending order, then 8 will go there. Then we'll remove 1 from here. So what is the yeah, what will be the equation? 8 plus 3, it will be 11. Yeah, right. Then we'll go to the 5. 5 will come here, right? Then remove the 3 from here. Then 8 plus 5 is 13. That's it. Now for left side, we'll go till here. Okay, so I'll check the priority queue. For left side, we will run our default priority queue, like on the descending order. So 7 will come here, then I'll go 9 will come here. Okay, if the size is same, size is equal to n is equal to 2, so 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, right? Then I'll check 16. So value of I will be here, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So value of I will be 1. Then I'll do one thing. If the size of our left array is equal to n, then our current left value 16 minus I plus 1, array of I plus 1, which is equal to 13, right? Means I'll say I'll take these two value. Okay, I'll take these two value and I will minus the minimum, I'll minus the maximum I got from the right. So maximum I got from the right is 13. That's why we made this array. I hope we got it, right? We are tracking on each index what is the maximum value got. So 16 minus 13 is 3. So one answer. Then I will go on my next index, which is 5. So 9, 7 I got. Then 5 will come here, and I'll remove the maximum one. So maximum is 9. Then 7 plus 5, which is 12. So there is 12 minus value of I is equal to 2. So I will go on my right side, which is 11. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1, right? So there's one case. Then I'll go to the 8. 8 will come before 7. 8 is here. Then I'll remove 8. Again, I'll put 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 is here, and minus, and 12 minus here, our index is 3. Then I'll minus from my fourth index. So 12 minus 4, which is equal to 6, 8. Then the minimum value I got is 1, right? So I'll return it 1. Answer will be 1. I hope you got it. Now, if I explain it in my code, I hope like you guys will be get cleared more. For this, I need 2 array, right? 2 priority queue. So here I go, priority queue. Left will be default. So I'll just write left. And the other priority queue, priority guarantee. For the right side, I will make it an increasing order. Yeah. So vector and t greater. That's it. So I got my priority queue left, right. Then nums size can go to 3 into n. The size I'll take long, size equal to size, and then I can take long, and yeah, value of n is equal to size divided by 3. I hope you know like how can you take the value of n. How can you get the value of n? I already showed you here, and it will be our size divided by 3. And then we have to calculate left, right. Yeah, so left will be 0, right will be 0 initially, and I'll take one answer. Answer initial value will be 90 max. Then I'll return answer, right? Now I'll say for anti I equal to, for the right side I need to get So right set will start. I will start from my size -1 and I greater than or equal to n. I minus minus n is smaller, and I'll say L dot push. No, not here. I'm doing right for the right set. So right dot push our kind nums of I. That's it, and I'm adding on my right value of right plus equal to nums of I. That's it, and then each time if size is equal to n, yeah, and then if I got my size, I'll push it on my. Okay, I need one vector array here. So vector t just like array size will be size, and if I do, yes, I'll store the adjustment, so it will be also long. Okay, now okay, I got it. Size if I got, then I'll push the right. That's it, right? Yeah. Then array of I will be my kind value of right? And then I have to update the value of right each time if it exists like the size of my queue is more than my size of n, right? We can't make any array which is greater than n. So if the size is greater than n, what we are doing here, we are just removing the front element here. Okay, so I'll say if the size is greater than n, then do one thing, just copy it, and at the same time I have to remove it from the right. So right minus equal to the top, then the top. Yeah, I hope this was there. Then I have to run one more for loop for int I equal to 0 till I less than my size minus n, right? And then I plus plus. Here again I have to push on my left queue nums of I, that's it, and then left plus equal to nums of I, that's it. If left size is equal to n, one run here, and now what I'll say, my answer equal to minimum of answer, or our current left value minus our array of our current index plus 1, right? Here what we are doing, if the size of my left queue is equal to n, what I'm doing, I am just doing minus from the value of left from the index plus 1 of right array. And this time I have to update the value of left. So if left size is greater than n, then I'll do left dot pop. So before left dot pop, I have to remove it from my dot pop, remove it from my left value, and then L dot pop. Okay, and at the end, I have to return the answer. uh, okay, and if I submit my code, and if I submit it, wrong answer for um, output output should come to my algorithm. The algorithm should be this. If I use this test case here, and I will have a look what I've done here. My queue I took, I have sorted it. Means I have size, long size, yeah. Left. Okay, answers. Yeah. So maybe I got it. So initial the answer is I'm putting it integer max, which will be like 10 to the power 5. But here I'm calculating the minimum, right? And for this test case, uh, uh, the value of my value of my left or right will go more than my the max. So as I have to take long, maybe it's long max. Is it long max or LL max? Yeah, or I'll just write LL max if I run it. And if I submit it, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much.